Alright, in this video we're looking at code.org lesson 5 variables, going through their different practice activities. And in this case we're looking at the debug using variables. So we can see that it talks about here, we'll just kind of expand this a little bit, it uses variables, and we have one here called circle size. And what variables are is they're a tool that in programming we can use to store information. In this case it's going to store the number 400. So control the width of the height. If you make the circle big enough, it will fill up the entire screen, as in the picture to the right. Change the value assigned so that the circle fills. Okay, so we do have, it's up to 400. Let's say we had it at 50. Okay, so if we run it right now, it's going to be really small, right? So when we look at this, so circle size is the name of the variable, and it's got the value 50. Down here in the code, we have fill, crimson color, and then the ellipse is at the location 200, 200. So if we show our grid, right in the middle. And circle size here, both of these is going to take this 50 and apply it to these two segments, these two locations, the width and the height. Okay, so one thing you got to be careful with variables is you also want to make sure they're spelled accurately, and capitalization does matter. So in this case, it's circle and then size with a capital S for both of these. And so if we want to fill this entire screen, well, we can just make it a bigger number. We can make it 400. And let's see which we had in the original thing there. And that fills pretty close. So let's go ahead and go to 500. And that's pretty close. We could even fill it more than that. Let's just do 700. And that fills the entire screen. Okay, so again, with variables, they store information. In this case, it was storing the number right here, in this case 700. And when you use them, you just have to make sure you type them accurately, and they're the exact same they are when you declared the variable up here. All right, hopefully that helps you, and good luck with your coding.